PPT excels in display and secondary editing, so we sometimes need to convert PDF into PPT files. WPS can convert PDF into PPT with one click. Take this document as an example. Click Tools, select PDF to PPT in the Edit page. Select source language of the document. Here we choose English. Then click Continue, and the Submit window will pop up. Start uploading. Click Notify Me when completed. We can minimize the conversion window. The file has been converted into PPT, and the words Layout and Pictures in PPT remain unchanged from that of the original PDF file. In addition, we can enter the Tool window through the rectangular icon in the upper right corner, and use PDF to PPT function to quickly convert the format. We can go to the WPS PC to continue editing PPT files after the conversion. Functions there are more diverse and convenient.